This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Hurry! This 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home with private screened pool will not last long. All hard flooring for easy living and ease of maintenance, it comes with a full kitchen appliance package. 2-car garage in quiet neighborhood, minutes from shopping, restaurants, entertainment and US 27, making it easily accessible to the attractions and beyond. The property is professionally managed, and rent includes pool and lawn maintenance. Hurry and make an appointment for a showing before you lose out. New pics coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.